Think you've seen every kitchen gadget on Amazon? Think again. In this video, we're revealing 35 brilliant Amazon kitchen finds you didn't know existed. Unique, clever, and even futuristic tools designed to upgrade your cooking experience. From time-saving helpers to mind-blowing innovations, these picks will transform your kitchen. Stay with us till the end. You won't want to miss a single one. Number 1. Thermomaven Smart Meat Thermometer. Overcooked meat can ruin a perfect meal, and guessing temperatures is risky. The Thermomaven Smart Meat Thermometer takes control with real-time digital accuracy. Its stainless steel probe delivers fast readings, while the wireless connection lets you monitor cooking from your phone. Built for grilling, roasting, and smoking, it helps ensure juicy results every time. The durable design withstands high heat, making it a must-have for anyone who wants perfectly cooked food without constant checking. Number 2. Anova sous vide cooker. Cooking meat evenly can be difficult with traditional methods. The Anova sous vide cooker solves that by using precise water temperature control. Simply attach it to a pot, set your desired temperature, and let it circulate water for consistent results. This method locks in flavor and moisture. With Wi-Fi connectivity and an easy digital interface, it offers professional quality cooking at home. It's ideal for tender steaks, chicken, vegetables, and more with restaurant-level consistency. Number 3. Comfee portable countertop dishwasher. Washing dishes by hand can take time and drain energy. The Comfee portable countertop dishwasher brings convenience to small kitchens and apartments. It requires minimal setup and fits neatly on a counter. Multiple wash programs handle everything from lightly soiled plates to heavily used cookware. Its compact design includes efficient water usage and powerful cleaning spray arms. For busy households, this gadget reduces cleanup time and keeps dishes sparkling clean with less effort. Number 4. Cisily kitchen sink caddy. A cluttered sink area makes cleaning stressful. Sponges, brushes, and soap bottles often end up scattered everywhere. The Cisily kitchen sink caddy organizes everything in one compact space. Made from durable stainless steel, it resists rust and keeps items dry with proper drainage. Its slim design fits neatly beside the sink without taking up much room. This organizer helps maintain a tidy kitchen while keeping cleaning tools easily accessible whenever you need them. Number 5. Bellemain roll-up dish drying rack. Limited counter space can make drying dishes frustrating. The Bellemain roll-up dish drying rack provides a smart solution. It rolls out over your sink, allowing water to drip directly into the basin. Made from strong stainless steel with heat-resistant silicone edges, it supports dishes, pots, and pans securely. When not in use, it rolls up for easy storage. It's a practical space-saving tool that keeps your kitchen organized and efficient. Number 6. Lervont peanut butter stirrer kit. Opening a jar of natural peanut butter often means dealing with separated oil and thick paste. The Lervont peanut butter stirrer kit makes mixing effortless. Simply attach the tool to your jar and turn the handle to blend evenly. The durable design reaches the bottom and sides for smooth consistency. Made from sturdy materials, it saves time and reduces mess. This gadget is perfect for anyone who enjoys natural spreads without constant manual stirring. Number 7. Nordic ware quarter sheet pan. Baking smaller portions can be tricky with oversized pans. The Nordic ware quarter sheet pan offers a compact and durable solution. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, it distributes heat evenly for consistent baking results. Its sturdy construction resists warping and handles everyday oven use. Perfect for roasting vegetables, baking cookies, or preparing small meals, this pan is a reliable kitchen essential. It's simple, strong, and designed to deliver dependable performance every time. Number 8. Bakerpan silicone mini muffin pan. Removing muffins from traditional pans can lead to sticking and broken edges. The Bakerpan silicone mini muffin pan solves that problem with flexible, non-stick silicone. It allows baked goods to release easily without greasing. The durable material withstands high oven temperatures and cleans quickly in the dishwasher. Perfect for cupcakes, egg bites, or snacks. It delivers consistent results. This pan is lightweight, easy to store, and ideal for effortless baking at home. Number 9. Auoon clip-on pot strainer. Draining pasta or vegetables can be messy and risky when transferring hot food. The Auoon clip-on pot strainer attaches directly to the edge of your pot. Simply pour, and the built-in strainer keeps food inside while water flows out. Made from heat-resistant silicone, it fits most pots and pans securely. It reduces spills and eliminates the need for separate colanders. This compact gadget makes draining food safer and more convenient. Number 10. OXO Adjustable Measuring Cup. Accurate measurements are essential for successful recipes. The OXO Adjustable Measuring Cup simplifies the process with a sliding mechanism that lets you measure ingredients precisely. Instead of multiple cups, this single tool handles different quantities easily. Its clear design allows you to see measurements from the side, ensuring accuracy. Made with durable materials, it's easy to clean and store. This innovative measuring tool saves space while improving consistency in cooking and baking. Number 11. Clever Smart Vegetable Chopper. Chopping vegetables can take time and create a messy countertop. The Clever Smart Vegetable Chopper makes prep fast and simple. With sharp stainless steel blades and a push-down design, it dices onions, peppers, and carrots in seconds. The sturdy container catches everything neatly, reducing cleanup. Its durable, food-safe materials are built for daily use. This gadget is perfect for busy kitchens, helping you prepare meals faster while keeping your hands safe and your workspace clean. Number 12. Suretivian Chicken Shredder Tool. Shredding cooked chicken with forks can be tiring and uneven. The Suretivian Chicken Shredder Tool fixes that instantly. Just place cooked chicken inside, twist the lid, and the internal blades shredded evenly in seconds. The non-slip base keeps it stable during use. Made from durable BPA-free materials, it's easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Perfect for tacos, salads, and sandwiches, this tool saves time and effort while delivering consistent restaurant-style shredded chicken every time. Number 13. Gripstic Bag Sealer Clips. Food storage bags often lose freshness once opened. The Gripstic Bag Sealer Clips provide an easy solution. These reusable sealing rods slide into the bag opening, creating an airtight seal that helps keep food fresh longer. Made from durable plastic, they are lightweight and simple to use. No complicated tools are required. Just roll and seal. They're perfect for snacks, cereal, frozen foods, and more. This small gadget reduces waste and keeps your pantry organized and efficient. Number 14. EZ Off Under Cabinet Jar Opener. Tight jar lids can be frustrating, especially when grip strength is limited. The EZ'd Off Under Cabinet Jar Opener solves this problem without effort. Mounted discreetly under your cabinet, it uses strong grip technology to twist off stubborn lids with ease. Just place the jar inside and turn. No batteries or electricity needed. Its hidden design keeps counters clean. This hands-free tool is ideal for seniors or anyone who wants a quick, reliable way to open jars. Number 15. Silonn Nugget Ice Maker. Running out of ice during gatherings can be inconvenient. The Silonn Nugget Ice Maker produces soft, chewable ice quickly and efficiently. Designed for countertops, it creates fresh ice in minutes and stores it in a convenient basket. The compact body fits easily in kitchens, offices, or entertainment areas. With simple controls and fast production, it's perfect for drinks, smoothies, and parties. This appliance delivers consistent nugget-style ice without needing a built-in freezer connection. Number 16. Flairosol Oil Sprayer Bottle. Using too much oil can make meals unhealthy and messy. The Flairosol Oil Sprayer Bottle gives you precise control. Its advanced spray system creates a fine mist, evenly coating pans, salads, or grills. The ergonomic design allows comfortable handling, and the transparent body lets you monitor oil levels easily. Made from durable, food-safe materials, it's reusable and easy to clean. This gadget supports healthier cooking while reducing waste and ensuring better portion control in every meal. Number 17. Stirmate Automatic Pot Stirrer. Standing over a stove and stirring constantly can be exhausting. The Stirmate Automatic Pot Stirrer takes over that task. Simply place it in your pot, press the button, and it rotates automatically to prevent sticking or burning. Its adjustable arms fit various pot sizes, and the battery-powered design adds convenience. Perfect for sauces, soups, and stews, it frees your hands while cooking. This smart tool helps reduce effort and ensures consistent results without constant supervision. Number 18. Uruq Hydroponic Herb Garden. Fresh herbs can elevate any dish, but buying them frequently can be inconvenient. The Uruq Hydroponic Herb Garden lets you grow herbs indoors year-round. Using water-based growing technology and built-in LED lights, it promotes fast, healthy plant growth without soil. The compact design fits on countertops and requires minimal maintenance. Ideal for basil, mint, and parsley, this system ensures fresh ingredients are always available. It's a convenient way to enjoy homegrown flavor every day. Number 19. Susteas Rotary Cheese Grater. Grating cheese manually can be tiring and messy. The Susteas Rotary Cheese Grater makes it effortless. Simply place cheese inside and turn the handle for smooth, consistent shredding. The stainless steel drum blades deliver quick results without direct contact with sharp edges. Its ergonomic design provides comfort and stability during use. It's perfect for cheese, nuts, and vegetables. Easy to assemble and clean, this tool saves time and improves safety while preparing delicious meals. Number 20. Zulay Butter Crock Dish. Keeping butter soft at room temperature can be challenging without it spoiling. The Zulay Butter Crock Dish solves this with a smart water seal design. Simply pack butter into the lid and add water to the base. The water creates an airtight barrier that keeps butter fresh and spreadable. Made from durable ceramic, it looks elegant on any countertop. This classic kitchen tool ensures smooth, ready-to-use butter for toast, baking, and everyday meals. Number 21. Whiskware Pancake Batter Bottle. Pouring pancake batter from a bowl often leads to spills and uneven sizes. The Whiskware Pancake Batter Bottle fixes that with a smart squeeze design. Just mix your batter inside the bottle, shake, and squeeze directly onto the pan. The built-in mixing ball helps blend ingredients smoothly. Made from durable, food-safe materials, it's easy to clean and reuse. This gadget keeps breakfast neat, consistent, and faster to prepare every single morning. Number 22. Full-Star Vegetable Chopper Spiralizer. Prepping vegetables by hand can take time and create uneven cuts. The Full-Star Vegetable Chopper Spiralizer makes slicing quick and simple. With interchangeable stainless steel blades, it dices, chops, and spirals vegetables in seconds. The built-in container collects everything neatly, reducing mess. Its sturdy, non-slip base adds stability during use. Made from durable, BPA-free materials, it's dishwasher safe. This all-in-one tool saves effort while helping you prepare healthy meals with ease. Number 23. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. Cooking eggs on the stove requires attention and timing, and it's easy to overcook them. The Dash Rapid Egg Cooker simplifies the process completely. Just add water, place the eggs inside, and press the button. It automatically cooks eggs to your preferred style, whether hard-boiled, soft-boiled, or poached. The compact design fits easily on countertops. With consistent results and simple controls, this appliance is perfect for quick breakfast and reliable egg preparation every time. Number 24. Luxive Herb Stripper Tool. Removing leaves from fresh herbs can be slow and frustrating. The Luxive Herb Stripper Tool speeds up the process instantly. Its multiple hole sizes allow you to strip herbs like rosemary, thyme, and kale with one quick pull. Made from durable, food-safe materials, it's lightweight and easy to store. Just slide the stem through the correct opening and the leaves fall away cleanly. This simple tool saves time while keeping your recipes fresh and flavorful. Number 25. Chohei Avocado Slicer. Preparing avocados can be messy when using knives for slicing, pitting, and scooping. The Chohei Avocado Slicer combines all steps into one convenient tool. It safely splits the fruit, removes the pit, and slices the flesh evenly. The ergonomic handle provides comfort and control during use. Made from sturdy, food-grade materials, it's easy to rinse clean. This gadget reduces risk while making avocado preparation faster, safer, and more efficient for salads, toast, and snacks. Number 26. Nunis Pineapple Core. And cutting a pineapple by hand can be difficult and time-consuming. The Nunis Pineapple Core makes it simple and clean. Just slice off the top, twist the core into the fruit, and pull out perfectly shaped rings. The stainless steel blade glides smoothly through the flesh, separating it from the skin. The comfortable handle provides easy grip and control. This tool saves effort, reduces waste, and allows you to enjoy fresh pineapple quickly without complicated cutting. Number 27. V-Top-Mart Stackable Storage Drawers. Cluttered cabinets can make finding kitchen items stressful. The V-Top-Mart Stackable Storage Drawers help organize everything neatly. These clear drawers allow you to see contents instantly while keeping items separated and accessible. Their stackable design maximizes vertical space, making them ideal for pantries, bathrooms, or refrigerators. Made from durable plastic, they are lightweight yet strong. Seniors appreciate how these organizers reduce bending and searching, creating a cleaner and more efficient storage system. Number 28. Giaji EU Magnetic Fridge Shelf. Refrigerator space is often limited and small items can get lost inside. The Giaji Magnetic Fridge Shelf attaches securely to the side of your refrigerator using strong magnets. It creates extra storage for spices, condiments, or small kitchen tools. The sturdy metal frame supports everyday items without sliding. Installation requires no drilling or tool. This clever shelf helps keep essentials within reach while freeing up valuable cabinet and counter space in busy kitchens. Number 29. Auoon Bamboo Silverware Organizer. Utensils can quickly become messy and hard to find inside drawers. The Auoon Bamboo Silverware Organizer keeps everything neatly separated. Made from natural bamboo, it offers durability and an elegant look. Its multiple compartments hold forks, spoons, knives, and other tools in an organized layout. The expandable design fits different drawer sizes. Easy to clean and eco-friendly, this organizer improves kitchen efficiency while reducing clutter and making daily meal preparation smoother and more convenient. Number 30. Love Moment Mason Jar Vacuum Sealer. Food stored in mason jars can can lose freshness over time when exposed to air. The Love Moment Mason Jar Vacuum Sealer helps extend shelf life by removing excess air from jars. We'll now simply place the sealer attachment on the lid and activate it to create an airtight seal. This process helps preserve dry foods like coffee, nuts, and snacks. Made from durable materials, it's easy to use and store. It's a smart way to reduce waste and keep food fresher longer. Number 31. Kitchen Art Spice Carousel. Digging through cluttered spice cabinets can waste time and make cooking stressful. The Kitchen Art Spice Carousel keeps your seasonings organized and easy to reach. This rotating rack features multiple clear jars, allowing you to see contents at a glance. The smooth spinning base makes finding spices quick and effortless. Made from durable materials, it fits neatly on countertops. This stylish organizer saves space, improves efficiency, and helps bring instant flavor to every meal. Number 32. Auoon Automatic Soap Dispenser. Touching soap bottles with dirty hands spreads germs and creates extra mess. The Auoon Automatic Soap Dispenser solves that with hands-free technology. Just place your hand under the sensor, and it dispenses the perfect amount of soap automatically. The sleek design fits modern kitchens and bathrooms, while the rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting use. Made from durable materials, it reduces waste and improves hygiene. This smart gadget keeps cleaning simple, convenient, and more sanitary every day. Number 33. Sonic Scrubber Power Scrubber Brush. Scrubbing stubborn stains by hand can take serious effort and time. The Sonic Scrubber Power Scrubber Brush makes cleaning easier with battery-powered oscillating action. Its fast-moving head removes grime from sinks, stovetops, tiles, and countertops without heavy scrubbing. The ergonomic handle provides comfort and control during use. With interchangeable brush heads, it handles different surfaces efficiently. This compact cleaning tool reduces strain, saves energy, and delivers powerful results, making kitchen cleanup quicker and far less tiring. Number 34. Top Me Up Sink Drain. Hair catcher. Clogged drains can cause unpleasant odors and slow water flow in the kitchen or bathroom. The Top Me Up Sink Drain hair catcher prevents blockages with a simple yet effective design. It fits securely over most drains, trapping debris while allowing water to flow freely. Made from durable, flexible silicone, it's easy to remove and clean. This small accessory helps protect plumbing. It reduces maintenance costs and keeps sinks running smoothly. It's a practical addition for maintaining a cleaner, more efficient home. Number 35. Tivolo Sphere. Ice molds. Regular ice cubes melt quickly and dilute drinks too fast. The Tivolo Sphere ice molds create large, slow-melting ice spheres that keep beverages colder for longer. Simply fill the molds with water, freeze, and pop out perfectly round ice balls. Made from flexible, food-safe silicone, they are easy to use and clean. These elegant spheres are ideal for cocktails, iced coffee, or soda. This simple gadget enhances drink presentation while maintaining flavor and temperature longer. Thanks for watching 35 brilliant Amazon kitchen finds. I hope you discovered some unique and game-changing gadgets. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing kitchen finds and smart upgrades. See you in the next video.